If you own an AMG with the 6.3 V8 engine with engine code M156, you've probably heard about problems with the cam phasers. On a cold start, the engine can knock loudly for a few seconds. You can also get synchronization errors from camshafts, and the ECU may even limit your engine power. In this video, I will show you where the problem comes from, what a damaged locking mechanism looks in the phasers, and how you can repair your phasers using our MEHENKER repair kit, instead of buying 4 new, very expensive components. In the M156 engine we have 4 cam phasers, one for each camshaft. Inside every phaser there is a locking mechanism. Its job is very simple: to hold phasers in its basic position during engine startups before the oil pressure builds up inside. When this mechanism wears out or breaks, the phaser is no longer able to hold its position and it rotates in this way. Typical symptoms are knocking and rattling on cold startups and camshaft synchronization errors from the ECU. Those problems are mainly present during startups. Once the engine is running, the problem is gone. This is very common, and brand new OEM cam phasers are really expensive. On the top of that, there are plenty of cheap Chinese phasers on the market, which usually don't last much longer than the way back home from the workshop. Here I have a disassembled original cam phasers from M156 engine. In the backplate there is a locking mechanism that I mentioned before. You can see here a locking pocket, which should be cylindrical, and here it's oval and strongly deformed. This pocket should hold on in position this pin, which is located in the rotor. As a result of the pocket damage, the rotor can move easily, causing a rattle noise during engine startups, and the ECU can see this movement as an incorrect position of the camshaft. The cam phasers in the AMG engine are controlled by a hydraulic control unit with 2 solenoid valves, here and here. These valves switch the direction of the oil feed to the cam phasers from advanced to retarded position. On the trigger wheel, which is located in the control unit, there are 3 sealing rings that keeps the oil system tight. When they wear out, the oil pressure inside the phaser can drop, and the phasers may not hold their position, which is manifested by the fault codes from the ECU unit. This can also impact the wear of the locking mechanism inside the phasers. Instead of replacing the complete phasers with the new ones, at MEHENKER we developed a complete repair kit for cam phasers in AMG 156 and 159 engines. The kit includes backplates with a new locking mechanism, new springs, new spring washers, and a set of sealing rings which controls the oil supply to the cam phasers. Most importantly, the locking pocket in our backplates is reinforced with a special hardened bushing, which is harder than original plate material and therefore much more durable. So, instead of throwing the whole part away, you can only replace the worn components. You can also keep the original cam phasers, which are actually very precisely made from the factory. Additionally, our new MEHENKER sealing rings on the oil feed side are made of special self-lubricating plastic, which means they do not damage the oil distribution surface as much as the original steel rings. And you can't buy these rings separately from Mercedes, so we save a lot of money by replacing them together with our kit. I will quickly show you how simple installation of a MEHENKER kit is. Here we have intake and exhaust side phasers. Okay, it's important to note that the intake and exhaust phasers work in opposite directions, so do not mix them. From design point of view, they only differ in the backplates. So now let's lay all the components on the bench. On the housings we have markings, which is AIN for intake phasers and AUS for outtake phasers. Now we replace the original backplate with MEHENKER one. There is special marking on each MEHENKER backplate which points on which phaser it should be installed. So here is AUS X for exhaust phasers and AIN in for intake phasers. We start from intake phasers. There is a sprocket. I install the backplate, the new one. Then I take the rotor, the housing. Okay, now the locking pin, the new spring, our blue spring washer, finally the cover. Now let's put the new bolts here. And finally, let's torque the bolts to 40 Nm. We use cross pattern to make sure that the force used to hold the phasers in one piece is even. Now we replace the original sealing rings on the trigger wheel with MEHENKER blue rings. And now I will repeat the whole procedure on the exhaust side. So, the sprocket, the exhaust backplate, the rotor, and the exhaust side housing, yes. Now let's use the locking pin. Let's put it into the rotor, then the spring and the spring washer, and finally the cover and the bolts, of course. One bolt is missing. No, I have it. And finally torquing to 40 Nm, also with the cross pattern. So both wheels are ready for installation to the engine. But before that, I always checking if they are locking properly. Okay, this phaser is locked, and this phaser, oh, now it's also locked. That's it, we are ready. Let's sum this up. In the AMG M156 engine, the cam phaser problem is usually caused by the locking mechanism failure and the loss of the oil pressure in the system. It shows up as a knocking on the cold engine startups and camshaft synchronization fault codes. So instead of spending a lot of money on brand new phasers or risking buying cheap Chinese replacements on eBay, you can rebuild your own phasers using the MEHENKER repair kit. If you want to check the details, the part numbers, the current pricing, go to mehenker.com. You will find the link in the description below. So, see you in the next episode.